Okay, so today I had my service done at Talca, and that was a beautiful experience of how nice Chilean people can be. I was waiting for the dealer to open. They opened quite a bit later than they were supposed to, so I was waiting there together with some other Chileans who wanted to get his bike done as well. And after they finally opened, they invited me over for lunch and paid for all of it. Insisted on paying for it, even though I wanted to pay for them for inviting me. And then we basically spent the afternoon together, hanging out, waiting for both our bikes to be done. Got to know them a little bit. And yeah, it's just so far so typical of Chileans, just to invite you and pay for your food. It's amazing. It's truly amazing. So today, I'm just gonna look for a campsite along the coast, and then yeah, hopefully I can stay there. Hopefully it'll be nice along the beach, and hopefully I can swim, but we'll see. We'll see about that. I don't know. So for today, nothing too interesting. I slept pretty good actually on the beach, and it was lovely having my coffee on the beach. And today is I think it's gonna be a pretty boring drive. I'm gonna head to Los Angeles because I want to catch up on some editing, and I'll stay at a proper hostel there, or hopefully I'm gonna look for one. And it's a bigger city, so if I need anything, I can buy it there, hopefully.